Hey guys, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. If it's your first time here, my name is ZAINI'S and welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe and don't forget to on the notification bell so when I upload a new video you're going to be the first to get notified. So guys, today I'm doing a collaboration with an amazing Kenyan YouTuber. She's going to be making ugali, spinach and some eggs. And on my side, I'm going to be making a chicken stew with vegetables. Really tasty, you guys. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end to see how we're making our amazing recipes. So let's get started.
Welcome to Feb'S Kitchen, and I'm going to share with you a simple dinner idea. This is ugali, sukuma wiki, some eggs and also avocado. It's as simple as it looks and so delicious. You just take the shortest time possible preparing this meal. So you will need sukuma wiki, your eggs and also avocado, some onions, cooking oil and also salt. I am also going to use turmeric for the eggs because I love some color. And yeah, so now I'm starting by frying the onions. So add your oil to the onions. You don't add too much oil, so just like that, and then stir. Let the onions cook until they start to be golden brown, but not too golden brown because they might burn and you don't want that burning taste in your mouth. So I'm also going to use this Royco cube. I almost forgot about it. This one makes your sukuma wiki so tasty and like get that beef flavor, which is so good in your sukuma wiki. You can see how green it looks. It's so good. By the way, this sukuma wiki I mixed it with some spinach. The spinach makes it even more soft. Yeah, so like you just have a soft and tasty sukuma wiki and spinach. And for this sukuma wiki, I'm not going to use oil. I'm not going to use the tomatoes. Yeah, so it's just as simple as that. By this point you're just like almost done. You can see how good it is looking. Like I just love the green color. So now I'm going to add the Royco cube. Yeah, that's the beef flavored Royco cube, and then some salt. You don't add too much salt too because the beef cube had some salt in it. Yeah, so just add a little bit of the salt and then stir. So at this moment, like you're done, so you just cover it and let it cook for like 2 minutes. Yeah, let it cook for just 2 minutes because you don't want to lose the green color, but you want that Royco cube to at least cook. And you notice that you don't add any water to it because it will be cooking with its water, the water from the vegetables. Yeah, so just cover it and let it cook. So here it is. After 2 minutes it's ready. It's so ready, guys, and it's smelling so good. I love it. So I'm just going to turn off the heat and put it aside as I cook the other meals, which for this time I'm going to cook the ugali first. So over here I've put some water and in the sufuria and then like let it boil. It has boiled and now I've added the flour. I'm adding flour bit by bit so that I don't have like a hard ugali. So after adding your flour, you want to stir it. So after doing this, just add some more flour, just bit by bit, so that you don't get a hard one. While some people might call ugali, like in Kenya we call it ugali, it's just a mixture, maize flour mixed with water, and then you just cook it until it's just ready. So others call it fufu, others call it pap. Yeah, it depends with how you call it. Maybe you can tell me in the comment section how you call this. Yeah, how you call this meal, this ugali I mean. because yeah, that's what you call it. So by now it's almost ready, and you'll just see the bottom of the sufuria. You'll see that it's starting to like turn to like burn. So at this moment you'll know it is ready. So I've put some cold water on this cooking stick, and then like I just want to give this ugali some shape. Yeah, so putting some cold water on the cooking stick, like, just makes the work easier. So this is what I've done, and also I'm just going to transfer it to the for in this plate on this plate, and then continue giving it that shape until I get the shape that I want. So I want a circular shape, and this is it. This is what I have. So I'll put my ugali aside and then cook the eggs. The eggs is not also that complicated. It's a simple one. I've added some oil on the pan and then let it heat. As the oil is getting hot, I'm going to beat the eggs. So these eggs of mine like yellow, so I want it to have some yellow color, and that's why I'm going to use turmeric. So in there I have added some salt and also add some turmeric. Yeah, so and then just beat it until it's ready. But if you're using a yellow egg, that's okay. You just get it. Like, it's so good. I love it. This time I didn't have it, so like I like to incorporate the yellow color with some turmeric. So just add your eggs inside the pan and spread it all over so that like it just cooks evenly. So I love had like well cooked eggs, like not runny eggs. So that's why I do this. Just fry both sides. That side is already good, looking good, so I just turn it to the other side and so let it cook. Yeah, so as it cooks, this side, you can see it's so good. So everything is now ready, and yeah, this meal is just as simple as that. So here it is. It looks so beautiful and just ready to eat. I love every bite of this food, like the eggs, the veggies, ugali, and some avocado. That ugali is a must add. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and thanks so much. Bye.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious chicken stew. Okay, this ingredient that we're gonna be using in our chicken stew, we got potatoes and the tomatoes. This is a chicken which I already cut in cubes, and then here we got our mushrooms, 200 gram, which I already cut also. This is oil, ginger garlic paste. These are spices that I'm gonna be using, and I've got here salt, these peppers which I'm gonna be using as well, and here I've got my chicken stock, and this is fresh coriander which I'm gonna use for garnish, and I've got my onion as well. So first I'm going to be blending onion and tomato into a paste. Okay, now that I'm done blending, I'm going to set aside for later, and I'm going to heat the pan and add oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add my chicken. Okay, now I'm going to add some salt, about 1 teaspoon, and ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to fry the chicken for about 5 minutes, or until you see the color has changed. Okay, now as you can see, the color has changed. It's after 5 minutes. I'm going to add the paste, and I'm gonna add also the spices. So guys, for spices, you can use any spice that you have in your kitchen, but if you in South Africa, this is it's everywhere. Like you can get it in Checkers, Pick and Pay. So try this combination. It's so delicious, you guys. The aroma, it's insane. I'm telling you, you try this one, this combination. It's really good. So I fried for about 10 minutes to just finish the excess water which was in the paste. So as you can see, just oil left. I put potatoes, and look how beautiful is that. I'm gonna just add about 1 cup of water and cook in a high flame for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna just boil it for 5 minutes in high flame. Okay guys, so it's been boiling for 5 minutes now, and I'm going to just give a good stir just to bring everything together, and I'm going to add my mushrooms, and also my red pepper, green pepper, and yellow pepper, and then I'm going to mix it well. And lastly, I'm going to add my chicken stock. I'm going to just break in small pieces and just throw it in there. So I'm going to just cover, and I'm going to slow the flame and let it simmer for about 10 minutes in very low flame, guys, so that potato can be soft. So it's already after 10 minutes. Look how beautiful style. So now I'm gonna just garnish with the fresh coriander, and it's ready to serve. You can serve with roti, chapati, or you can serve with rice or mogali, which is pap. We are calling pap. It's really delicious, you guys. So if you did like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up, share, and comment down below, and share your ideas, what you guys think about these two amazing and delicious um, recipes. So thank you so much again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.